Hey guys, PC Guy here with a quick guide on how to install RTX Voice from NVIDIA on PCs that do not have an RTX graphics card, so anything from the GTX family, like in my case a GTX 1660 Ti. Start off by, as per usual, download the installer from the NVIDIA website and try to install it. You'll get an error message because, well, you don't have an RTX card. After failing to install it once, head to your file explorer, go to c/temp/rnv RTX Voice. You should have a folder there after trying the installation. And in the folder nvafx, you'll find a text file called rtxvoice.nvi. Open it up with admin rights, so right click the notepad, open with admin, and then open the file in there, otherwise it won't let you save. And delete the section of the text there that shows the constraints. So between the constraints and end constraints, delete that file, make sure you keep the formatting the same, and save the file with the same name and format. After modifying that file, go to the folder above, so NVRTX Voice on your temp folder, and click the setup.x. It's important that you click this setup and not the one that you had downloaded from the video, otherwise you'll still be stuck with the same error. After you click the setup, it should let you install the file relatively quickly, and your RTX Voice should be running. Hope this has been helpful for you guys. I have since a week or two back been running RTX Voice. It has been successful at filtering out some of the noises, although not everything. So while it is an improvement, it's not perfect. I've not been able to get the same results that you see on some clips out there, very extreme clips, I mind you, with leaf blowers, etc. But it does help some. It might be because of the card not being RTX, might be because it's a beta. It is not validated for GTX cards, so while this should work, there is no guarantees, and you might get worse results than you see some other people get. So I can, for example, not tap on the desk and it will still pick it up and you guys will hear it as I will be tapping now. You guys can probably still hear this. And this is something that you don't see in some example videos that I just showed. But I hope this has been helpful for you guys. Drop a like and a comment in the video if it has helped you guys. And I would appreciate if you guys could subscribe to help us do more and better content for you guys in the future. That would really be appreciated. I hope I'll see you guys in the next video. And in the meantime, have fun.